stole him and he stole me. He's my doctor, he's my thief, and he told me I was the most beautiful thing he'd ever seen. You stole me and I stole you, and we flew off to do the thing we always said we'd do. But there's one thing I wanted to say to you. Say hello, say hello, say hello, say hello. Say hello, doctor, I love you so. Say hello, say hello, say hello. Say being alive's only sad when it's over. I wanted to see the universe, so I stole a Time Lord and ran away. We've been running and we've been flying, and we haven't looked back since that day. I'll never forget the time we talked. I want you to know how I feel. Companions may leave, they may come and go, but what we have is real. Say hello, say hello, say hello. Say hello, doctor, I love you so. Say hello, say never fear, I'll always be here, and it will